welcome back. Now for today's DIY skincare video, I'm going to share with you my favorite body scrub. Aside from the coffee body scrub that I made last year, I'm going to link it up in the card. I'm going to share with you another famous body scrub, Himalaya Salt Body Scrub. It's great for exfoliation, skin detoxifier. It balances your skin pH. It softens your skin. This salt kind of helps for my BACNE area. If you have some BACNE, and especially my strawberry legs. If you know what strawberry legs, then girl, you're my best friend. I'm not sure if you're familiar with the strawberry legs. I'm going to show you a picture here. Now, we don't want that kind of strawberry legs or even back acne. This Himalaya salt actually helps to remove your back acne and your strawberry legs. It's great for exfoliation. So I'm going to show you these 2 ingredients only to have your own Himalaya pink salt body scrub at home. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The Himalaya salt contains mineral small enough of our body and skin to absorb, providing amazing therapeutic benefits to the skin, mind, and body. Alright girls, I hope you loved this tutorial. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!